IKEA Tolsby is framed for 2 pictures. IKEA Tolsby dimensions is width 12 centimeters, height 21 centimeters, for the picture width 10 centimeters, for the picture height 15 centimeters. You can display one picture on each side, as the frame has no back panel, and easily change pictures by sliding up the front panel and inserting the picture. I bought 3 of these, and I love how this is double-sided and can hold 2 pictures. The round stand piece unscrews, then the frame part unsnaps. It comes with 2 plastic, not glass covers, one for each side. Both the front and back side of each clear plastic cover has a peel-off protective piece to keep it from being scratched. Simply pull all 4 peel-off protective pieces, place your 2 pictures in between the plastic cases. It kind of just sits on top of the frame until you snap the frames back in place. Then screw on the bottom stand and you're ready to share a double-sided picture frame. If you're looking for a cheap frame, this is it. You have to assemble it yourself, but the plastic is actually film coated to prevent scratches, which I wasn't anticipating and is a nice perk. It's not a fancy frame, but it does the job and seems sturdy enough. If you are interested in all the products or items in this video, everything is in the description below.